Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone XR in the black color and in the product red color. Now this is going to be a quick color comparison so you guys can see how both of these colors look under various lighting conditions and just how they look in general, just so you can make a decision on which one to go for. And yeah, so both of these colors are of course really nice. One is going to attract a lot more attention than the other. And obviously this one might not look like the XR, while this product red one, I mean, certainly looks more like a XR than the black one, which kind of looks a lot like the iPhone 8 from last year. But yeah, you can see it here in the front. Of course, you are gonna see some of the red around, or the aluminum border around, which looks really darn good. I was saying in the unboxing video for this, it's that this is the best red looking phone I've ever looked at. And frankly, this is honestly the best black looking phone that Apple has ever made. It's just really nice. It's a nice mix between previous black versions and space gray versions. It just looks really nice. And unlike the XS, this isn't cloudy on the back. It is actually pure black behind that glass. So it looks really nice and almost has like a bubbly and candy effect on the back, which looks really good. Now taking a closer look here at the cameras, you can see that the accents around it are tinted to the color that it is, and the red one looks beautiful. Of course, the black one also looks really nice. At the bottom we do have the ports, and everything for the red is silvered out, which matches nicely and gives it a really nice contrast. And for the iPhone in the black color, everything is blacked out, and it's all matte, which is nice. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Here is some b-roll of the devices, or some extra b-roll, so you guys can see exactly how they look in various lighting conditions. And as far as for me personally, which one I would actually purchase, it would probably be the black one, just because even though I like the red color more than the black color, I'm not a huge fan of red, and it's not something I would own and something I would use every day, if you know what I mean. Like, you can like something, but you wouldn't actually buy it to use it daily. I mean, the black one is just straight up simple, nice, and I won't get tired over, you know, a period of time. As far as my favorite iPhone XR color, it's definitely gotta go to the silver. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at RMRDNL or at DarkGadgets, and I'll get back to you there. Or you can also just comment down below. Let me know what color you guys like the most. And yeah, I mean, definitely the red. If you guys even slightly like the red, go for the red. You're gonna really love it. It's the best red looking phone ever. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.